grain rice, 4 cups of water,
1/4 of a white onion, and 2 minced garlic.
the juice and zest of 1 lime, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of corn, 1 cup of peas, 1 finely chopped carrot, and 2 finely chopped tomatillos. Place your burner on a medium heat and drizzle 2 tablespoons of oil. Add your rice, and make sure to wash your rice, friends. I'm using a little bit more oil just because I know that I just washed my rice, so there's a lot of humidity in there that we're just gonna cook out. I said cook out and now I want barbecue. What am I gonna do with this foodiness that I have going on?
Jalapeno and cheddar sausage.
How dare you? You guys, she's starting with Rudy's again. I crave Rudy's all the time, and now that you said that, I'm not gonna be able to stop thinking about that cheddar jalapeno sausage. Yummy, yummy. Make sure that you coat all your grains of rice with the oil, and you're gonna continue to toast for another 4 minutes or until you see that your rice has turned a pale golden color, okay? We're not looking for a fully golden color, we're just a pale one. I'll show you what that looks like in 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you're gonna make a well in the center of your pan, and you're gonna add your onions and your garlic. You're gonna mix that and continue to cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you're gonna add your tomatillo, carrots, peas, and corn.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
That's right, Cloud, just like that. Get your exercise in, friends. You too, toddlers, get in there. Add your shrimp. And if this is gonna be dinner and you need more shrimp, just add the whole bag. Once you combine your ingredients, you're gonna add your water. And when you add your water, you're gonna notice that there is anything that got too toasty that's gonna float at the top. You wanna remove that. We want a very beautiful shrimp and rice. Something that just looks super clean, you know? Do you know, Cloud?
No, because I'd eat it with those little burnt ends.
Alright, she's talking about barbecue again. Add your lemon juice and your zest.
And I love when you pick up all the stuff that's in the container.
The deliciousness.
That doesn't go to waste. I love that.
Yummy, yummy. Half a teaspoon of salt.
Could I add chicken bouillon at this point?
You can, but it's going to change the color and we want to keep it as light as possible.
Oh, okay. But I still get flavor with that salt and veggies.
Yeah, I want to keep it super natural. Kind of how we did our zucchini casserole, that you can taste all the freshness in each ingredient. That's what we're going for here, friends. Once your pot comes to a boil, you're going to place your burner on a low heat. You're going to place the lid over your pot and you're going to continue to cook for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, we're going to come back here. We're going to turn off our burner and we're going to let our rice set for 5 minutes before we add our final touch. And boom, done, amigos. Our rice is ready. I've let our rice set for 5 minutes and now we're going to go ahead and add, and it's really optional. It's going to be up to you, but I'm going to add some cilantro. Just a little bit of cilantro.
Ooh, that looks so fluffy.
It's really fluffy, and this works great as a side dish when you're eating seafood dishes, especially. And if you just want to make this your dinner, you're all set. So just go ahead and mix your cilantro into the rice. I'm gonna need somebody very special to say